So today we're taking a look at the Tile Slim, and this is a thin Bluetooth tracker built for your wallet. So if you're like me and you lose your wallet all the time, this might be something to look into. Now this works up to 250 feet, and basically what it does is act as a finder. So it's the size of a credit card. You're just going to slide it into your wallet like so. It doesn't take up too much space in comparison to cards. It's about the thickness of 2 cards. And then if you ever lose your wallet, you just open the Tile app on your phone, you tap find, follow that ringing sound, look for it in your house or wherever it may be. And then to stop the sound, you just press on the Tile icon. Now this will work with both Android and iPhone. And if you do happen to lose it, let's say somewhere away from your house where it can't ring to be found, it does have options for you to maybe see the last known location or have it ping you if it is located through the Tile network. Lastly, if you lose your phone, this can actually be used to find your phone. So this one in particular here has a little button. You might have a little touchpad or whatever. You're just going to press on it and it'll start ringing like this. Then your phone will start ringing like this. Again, you will need to be in that sort of 250-foot range for it to be ringing, but some great features here with this little Tile Slim. And if you're anything like me and you lose your items, this might be something to look at.